In this tutorial, I want to explain about buffer analysis using ArcGIS software. First of all, we can add data. In this case, I want to buffer bus stop facility. We can go to Arc Toolbox. Then we can go to Analysis Tools, then Proximity, then we can choose Buffer. For another case, we can go to the Windows and we can choose Source, and we can search Buffer. Okay, here we go. For the input feature, we can choose the feature that we will to buffer. Output feature, we can find the folder output. I want to buffer 100 meter. Then in this distance, I write 100 meters. Then okay. It's still processing. And this is our result, buffer analysis from bus stop Surabaya bus. We can create another buffer. An example, (500 meter). Then okay. This is our result. For another reason, we can choose another buffer. It called multiple ring buffer. And we can write another distance at then okay. It's still processing. Okay, we get the data from multiple ring buffer. Thank you.